Phew. Are you paying attention, boy? Recess is over. Your understanding of the material leaves a lot to be desired. Get it together, or you will never catch up with your friend, the star of our class. Who, by the way, has already moved way ahead in understanding the tragic reality of our world. And she graciously restored my physical form, too. Rise and shine! Daydreaming again? Do understand, I'm not mad. I'm simply disappointed. For you fail to see the truth. This is not another realm. It's everything you've ever felt, believed, or chosen. It is your entire life. Maybe what I'm gonna say next will, sound familiar. I see we're getting there. Now, how about this?
It's not fair. You don't deserve this power. It's mine!
Indeed. All this time, you've been my most treasured marionette. You thought you've got no strings to hold you down, thinking so foolishly, so arrogantly that you have what it takes to save the world with a flick of a wrist. But still, a mere puppet. Oh, but you're starting to realize, aren't you? The truth. How do I put it? It has a rather ugly countenance. Some cookies prefer the safety of a sweet lie, afraid to stick their head outside to the cold reality. Others, they find twisted pleasure in weaving deceit for their own benefit. I know exactly what you're thinking. Been there, so to speak. My boy, the universe once was but an open book to me. Time and space unfurl before my eyes. You are merely following in my footsteps. Oh, but it's inevitable. In the end, you will become me. And it's gonna feel good. Perhaps seeing it once is indeed better than any words. Fortunately for you, you're in the right place.
Let you in. That is right. Unfortunately, you were not invited. And neither was your companion.
I'm sorry, Pure Vanilla Cookie. I've tainted your reputation.
Haven't you heard? The Vanilla Kingdom's membership in the Union has been suspended due to your ties with our enemy. I'll ask you to vacate the premises.
Attack! Fixing attack! All citizens must follow our instructions and hide in the nearest shelter. May the hero save us all. understand what happened to you back in Beasties. Heal us like you used to. Coward! And you dare call yourself a hero? The forces of the beasts, we're doomed. They're cutting through our defenses. Too strong. Ugh. You cannot.
Lookie, lookie, where is my cookie? Time to come out of hiding and play with me. Ah, there you are, my long-lost other half. Thanks to you, we could find your little burrow. No, it can't be. This is not me. This is Shadow Milk Cookie. I'm pure vanilla cookie, not Shadow Milk Cookie. I'm... No! No! He must be somewhere nearby! Pure vanilla cookie! Pure vanilla cookie! Who's vanilla cookie? What are you doing? Help us search!
I wonder how my friends are doing these days.
Oh, the golden light shines through me.
What are you saying? Why do you sound like pure vanilla? No way! Fortune teller cookie is...
Oh, I didn't know we had an audience. Greetings, greetings. It's great to be here. We've got a fantastic show lined up for you tonight. But first, allow me to refresh your memory of the mystical events of the story so far. The great Shadow Milk Cookie, archmaster of all knowledge and deceit there is, played a genius stroke by leading our reckless foes right into his trap in the spire. And, surprise, surprise, tonight we invited these foolish cookies to be the guests of our show, but all in due time. We've got tons of stuff to cover before we get to the main dish. Test, test. Looks like the mic is on. Tonight, I'll be the host, the writer, the reporter, and the entertainer. Whew, I really should ask for a raise. Indeed, the illustrious master of the spire has returned. Let's show Shadow Milk Cookie our love with a round of applause. His plan is already in motion, spreading across Earthbread as we speak. Shall we take a closer look at the dramatic events happening in Crispia at this very moment? Oh dear me, I almost forgot to introduce myself. Black Sapphire Cookie, at your service. And now, I invite you to sit back, relax, and forget about the boring notions of truth and some such. Instead, join me tonight on our fantastical, magical journey.
Whoever are you talking to, Black Sapphire Cookie? Are they in the same room with us right now?